In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical captions in Premiere Pro for TikTok and Reels. We're going to create clean vertical captions that read top to bottom, perfect for platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. By the end, you'll know how to build them, style them, preview them, and export them the right way. Start by bringing your clip into the timeline. If you're already working in a vertical 9:16 sequence, great, that will make framing your text much easier. If not, you can still follow along and position the captions where they'll look best on a vertical crop later. Next, open the Captions and Subtitles workspace. Go to the Window menu and choose Captions and Subtitles to reveal the Captions panel. In that panel, click New Captions track. When you're prompted for a caption type, choose Open Captions. Open Captions give you full styling freedom, including font choice, color, rotation, and precise placement, which is ideal for creative vertical layouts. You'll now see a caption item where you can type your text in the caption box. Enter the words exactly as you want them to appear on screen. Keep each line concise and readable. Shorter lines are easier to scan on a phone. If you're captioning multiple moments, add separate entries so each piece of text corresponds to the part of the video where it should appear. To make the captions vertical, head to the Essential Graphics panel, select your caption text layer, and rotate the text box 90 degrees so it runs vertically, or use the vertical type tool if you prefer true vertical writing. Either approach is fine. Rotating the text box is quick and gives you consistent control over alignment. Now fine-tune the look. Choose a clear, legible font, bump up the size for mobile viewing, and position the text so it doesn't collide with important parts of your video. Place it away from the edges and any on-screen UI. High contrast is key. Dark text on a light background or light text on dark footage reads best. Make sure your captions fit comfortably within a vertical layout so they're easy to read on smaller screens. Preview your sequence and watch it through. Your captions should now appear vertically on screen, aligned and paced the way you want. Tweak spacing and placement until everything feels balanced. When you're ready to deliver, export the video with captions burned in if you want them permanently.